Guys, this is pipeline. Pipeline Nairobi. This is pipeline Nairobi, guys. The tallest building are being found in pipeline Nairobi. This is pipeline. This place is called Tumaini Pipeline. This is pipeline, guys. For those who have not visited Nairobi, this place is called Pipeline. It is in Nairobi. It's a very cool place, a very smart place. Yes. Pipeline Nairobi. This side is pipeline stage. This side, guys, is pipeline stage Nairobi. This is where I stayed in this place, guys. But the other side of Tumaini, I stay in this place. This is railway line. It's located in pipeline. Where I'm heading to pipeline stage. The place where I'm heading to pipeline stage. And let me guys show you the place where people are entering now in Tumaini. The train also is coming. The train is ahead of me. It's coming. I've just seen the train. This one is pipeline stage. Pipeline stage. These are the vehicle when you want to go to town. You just come on board the vehicle here. This is the place which is called pipeline stage. This is my area. This is where I stay. This place is where I stay, guy. Me, I'm called Owen Comedian. Called Owen Comedian. This is pipeline. This place, this is the road which is entering to Tumaini. This place is called Tumaini. The place we're seeing, guys. This place is called Tumaini. This place is called Tumaini. This place is called Tumaini. That's the place, guys. That place is called Tumaini.